Hello, today I have a 2011 Dodge Durango. I want to show you the location for the expansion valve. The front one is back here. So what you have to do is remove the bearing valve, which is this one right here. The bearing valve and the mount. First you're gonna bleed the furrion, disconnect this so you have room to remove these pipes from the expansion valve. Also you have to remove the wipers and the cover or frame. Just pop it up after you remove the wipers. You're gonna have to remove this cover too. It's all 10mm bolt here, there, this side. And you have to move the wiper motor also. Then you have to remove this nut down here, 12mm bolt. And all of this is 13mm bolt. So after you remove all this side, and you have access to remove the pipes and remove the expansion valve back here. Please like and subscribe for more videos. If you do have any question, just comment below. Thanks for watching.